Good morning. Today we'll discuss the instruction set of 8051 microcontroller. Fourth type, bit manipulation or Boolean variable instruction set. Bit manipulation or Boolean variable. Bit means single bit, either 0 or 1. Boolean variable means true or false, on or off state, 0 or 1 condition. Okay? All the instructions, it is based on single bit operations. Single bit operations in bit manipulation or Boolean variable instruction set. Total 17 instructions. Total 17 instruction. In part 1 video, we will discuss the 10 instructions. In bit manipulation or Boolean variable instruction set, what are the instructions available with? Clear the bit, set the bit, move particular bit, and complement the particular bit, and logically or that particular bit. Okay, all the instructions related to single bit operations. Okay, total 17. In part 1 video, we will discuss the 10 instructions. First one, CLR-C. First one, CLR-C. Here CLR means to clear. To clear. C means carry. To clear the carry content. Okay. Example, in carry 1, after this instruction CL or C. Now carry 0. 1 before CLRC in carry 1. After CLRC means to clear the carry. Now here the carry equal to 1. After CLRC, now carry equal to 0. This is for to clear the carry status. Okay. And second one, CLR bit. Now to clear particular bit. Now to clear the particular bit. Example, CLR ACC.5. Accumulator content. Here the accumulator A bit. Okay. In accumulator, fifth bit data to clear, to make a 0. Suppose A register data 97H. 97 means 1 0 0 1. 7 means 0 1 1 1. This is for D0 bit, this is for D3, and this is for D4, and this is for D7. Now this is the D5th accumulator content, 5th bit we have to clear. Okay. Now after this instruction, now accumulator content 5th position bit will be set into 0. Here the already 0. Now suppose the accumulator content is 1 here. 1 means B. This is for B7. B7 means now accumulator 5th bit 1. After CLR acc.5 means now to clear the accumulated content fifth bit. After this instruction, now register A equal to 1, 0, this 1 to change into 0, next 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. This is the operation of to clear that particular bit. Okay. This is for to clear the carry content, and this is for to clear that particular bit. To clear that particular bit. Next one, third, SETBC, set carry. SET means set bit of carry bit to set one condition. Okay. Example, here the carry equal to 0. Now SETBC means after this instruction, now the carry flag will be to set into one conditions. This is for to clear the carry status, and this is for to set the carry status. Okay. And fourth instruction, SETB bit. SETB bit to set given particular bit set condition to set into 1. Example, SETB P2.4. Here P means port. Which port? Second port. In second port, fourth bit to set into 1. This is for port 2. 8 bits, suppose 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. This is also 0. This is for D0 bit, D3. This is for D4, and this is for D7. This is the port 8 bit data. Now to set the D4th bit 1. For that we can use SETB P2.4 means after this instruction, now the port 2 equal to 1, 0, 0. Here the 0 to change into 1. This is for to set one condition, and this is for 0, 1, 1, 1. This is the instruction for to set that particular bit one condition. Okay. For that we can use this type of instructions. This is for to clear the carry, and this is for to set the carry. This is for to clear that particular bit. ACC dot means to clear the accumulator content fifth bit, and this is for to set. This is for to set that particular bit one condition. Okay. And next one, CPLC. Here CPL means complement. CPL means complement carry. Complement the carry status. If carry equal to 1, after this instruction, now the carry flag will be set to 0. Suppose carry equal to 0, after CPLC, after this instruction, now the carry will be set to one condition. Example, here carry equal to 0. CPL means complement the carry status. 0 change into 1 and 1 change into 0. Here, before this instruction execute, the carry flag equal to 0. Now CPLC means complement the carry. After this instruction, now carry equal to 1. This is for to clear the carry, and this is for to set the carry, and this is for to complement the carry status. Okay. And sixth one, CPL bit. CPL bit. This is for to complement the particular bit. To complement the particular bit. Suppose accumulated content third bit 0 means it will change into 1. Okay. Example, accumulator 98H. 98H. 98 means 1001. 8 means 1000. Okay. And CPL ACC dot 2. ACC dot 2 means complement the accumulator second bit. Second bit. This is for 0 bit, this is for first bit, this is the second bit. Okay. Now after this instruction, what will be the accumulator content? This is for 1, this is for 0, this is for 0, and this is for 1, this is for 1, and this is the D2 bit. This is the accumulator content second bit. Here the accumulator content second bit is 0. We have to complement. Complement means 0 change into 1 and 1 change into 0. Here 0 will be changed into 1. Next this is for 0 and this is for 0. Now result 1100 means C. 1001 means 9. 9 C result. After complement the accumulator content second bit. Okay. All the 6 instructions. The 6 instruction. The first 2 instruction for to clear that particular bit. Here this is for the carry bit will be clear, and this is for to clear the particular bit position. Suppose accumulator 5th bit position to clear. And these 2 instructions for set B, C and set B that particular bit. These 2 to set that particular bit one condition. Here set BC means to set the carry status one condition. And this is for set B particular bit. Suppose port to 5th position bit to set into 1. And these 2 instructions for complement the carry status, and this is for complement that particular bit position. Okay. Seventh one, ANLC comma bit. ANL means logically and carry with that particular bit. Both are single bit. Example, ANLC comma ACC 6. ACC 6 means accumulator content 6th position bit logically and with carry. Okay. Here first we have to set what is the carry status. Here the carry equal to 1 and accumulator content register A equal to 52H. Okay. Here the 52 means 0101, 2 means 0010. Okay. This is for D0 bit, this is for D3, D4, This is for D6 and this is for D7. Here, logically AND carry with D6 of accumulator content. D6th bit. D6th bit of accumulator content. Accumulator 52. D6th. ACC dot means 6th position bit. Here the 1. Carry equal to 1 and the ACC dot 6 equal to 1. In logical AND operation, if both inputs are I, output is I state. Now result 1 condition. This is the operation of logically AND carry with that particular bit position. Okay. This is a logically AND carry with that particular bit positions. Next one, A and N C comma slash bit. What is the difference between these two? Both are logically and carry with that particular bit, and this is also logically and carry with that particular bit, but here that particular bit slash means we have to complement. Suppose that particular bit is 1. Now the 1 complement that data logically and with carry status. Here slash means complement of the that particular bit position. That result we have to logically and with the carry status. Example, A N L C comma A N L C comma ACC dot 2 ACC dot 2. Here the carry equal to 0. To set carry equal to 0 and accumulator A equal to 53 inch. 53 inch. 53 means 0, 1, 0, 1 and 0, 0, 1, 1. This is for D0 bit, D1, D2 and this is for D3, D4 and this is for D7. Okay. Now ACC dot 2 means accumulator content second position bit. This is the second position bit 0. This 0 we have to complement. Complement means slash. Okay, change into 1. This 1 logically and with carry. Carry. Here the carry equal to 0 and slash ACC dot 2. Complement of accumulator content second bit position data. Here the second bit position data is 0 and then complement. Here the complement to change into 1. Now logically AND these two data. In AND operation, if any one of the input is low, output is low. This is output is low condition. 0. Okay. This is the operation of logically and carry with that particular bit position. Okay. Ninth instruction, O or L C comma bit. ORL means logically or carry with that particular bit position. Example, here the carry equal to 0. Here the particular bit means we have to set O or L C comma ACC dot 0. Now first we have to set what is the data in accumulator. 43 H. 43 H. 43 means 0 1 0 0. 3 means 0 0 1 1. This is the D0 bit. D3. This is for D4 and D7. Okay. Here ACC.0 means accumulator content 0 position bit data. Here the 0 position bit data is 1. This is for ACC.0 means 1 and the carry equal to 0. Here logically OR. What is the operation of logically OR? If any one of the input is I, output is I. Here this is for I. Now the output is I. This is the operation of logically OR. Carry with the particular bit position. Okay. Next 10th instruction O or L C comma slash bit slash that particular bit. ORL means logically OR. Carry with the complement of that particular bit. Complement of that particular bit. Both are same instruction. The only one difference here logically OR carry with that particular bit, and here logically OR carry with that particular bit of complement. That particular bit of complement. Example, here carry equal to 1, to say, and O or L C comma slash ACC.1. ACC.1 means accumulated content first position bit. Okay, in register A 68H. 68H. 68 means 60110. 8 means 1000. This is for D0, D1, D2, D3. This is for D4 and this is for D7. Here ACC.1. ACC.1 means accumulated content first position bit. What is the first position bit? 0. Now 0. Here slash means complement of that particular bit. Here the slash ACC.1 means the complement of this one. Now 0 change into 1. This bit logically OR with carry. Now carry equal to 1. What is the operation of logically OR? If any one of the input is I, output is I. Now here both input I, output is IC. This is the operation of logically OR. Carry with that particular bit. Okay? Any doubt? No. Thank you.